Class 6, Subject Computer, Lesson 5, Part 1, page number 53 to 54. Chapter name is Analyzing Data in Excel. This is your chapter, first page of your chapter. Now, first of all, learn few hard words. First word, determination. Determination means the process of establishing something exactly by calculation. Next word, evaluate means from an idea of the amount. Next word, desired means strongly wished for a intended. Next word, condition means the state of something with regard to its appearance. Next word, validation means the action of checking or proving the validity or accuracy of something. Now, in this part, I will explain you what is a sorting. Sorting data in an essential parts of data analysis. It generally means arranging the data in ascending or descending order. In several cases, the order of the rows in your list does not matter, but in other cases, we want the rows to appear in a precise order. Something data helps you to quickly visualize and understand your data better, organize and find the data that we want and ultimately make more effective decision. So what is a sorting? Sorting is generally it is arrange the data in ascending or descending order. In second way, sorting data help us to quickly visualization and understand your data, better organize and find the data that we want and ultimately make more effective decision. So that is a definition of sorting. And now I'm going to show you how you can sort your data in MS Excel screen. Now in this part, I will show you how you can perform a sorting. So table is also there that you can see. Table already created. So now first of all click on data tab. This is a data tab. Here you have to select the table because we are going to sort the table. The selection is required. Without selection, how we can sort the data? Only roll number, name, English, Hindi and maths. I am going to select. After that, click on select see the sort and filter option. In this you can see sort option is there. Click on that. Now this dialog box will appear. Here you have to select sort by. So I am going to write name, then A to Z. I am going to use order. What order I want? That I want A to Z. Click on OK button. So I had selected A to Z name. Here you can see in name column you can see all the data came in alphabetically order. First P, later then R, then S. And because name is changed, so according to that roll number also changed. That you can see here. First 3 came, then 4, then 1, 2 and 5. And according to that their marks means whatever marks is there, that is for Prabhu. It is not that only name column is changed and other data is not changed. It all the table will change according to that sorting. Clear? If you want to remove that sorting, you can click on again on sort button. First of all, you have to select table. You can otherwise undo. Undo option is better option. You can perform. Then again it will come in previous order. It is a sorting. Now I'm going to show you once again. I'm taking. Now data tab is selected. Now click on sort. Now sort by, you can take English. This time I'm going to take English. Cell values same. Smallest to largest means first minimum marks will come, then according to that in ascending order marks will come. Click on OK button. Now you can see English 55, then 66, 78, 78, 98. And according to that all the data is changed. Like in this column you can see roll number 2 came first, then 3, then 1, then 4, then 5. That is a sorting. Clear? Thank you. That was sorting. Now this part is over. In next part I will explain you how you can perform filter in MS Excel screen. Thank you.